Hello guys, welcome back to another cooking video. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this healthy Zobo drink. Zobo drink is made with hibiscus flower. So guys, if you are interested, continue watching and let's get started. In my bowl here, I have about 2.5 cups of Zobo. I'm going to be needing some pineapple, orange, ginger, and some lemon. I'll be needing some cloves, and I'm also going to be using some brown sugar for this Zobo drink. This is optional. If you like, you can choose not to add sugar to your own, or you can also add honey as well. The choice is yours, but me, I'm going to be adding some brown sugar to my own. So now I'm going to be soaking the fruits with some baking soda. I'll be adding a tablespoon of baking soda. Then I will soak the fruits for about 7 minutes. This is to avoid some bacteria from our fruits. I'm going to be repeating the same thing as well with the Zobo. I will soak it for about 3 to 4 minutes with some baking soda. So now that I've finished washing all my fruits thoroughly, I'm going to be peeling the pineapple. Then I'm also going to be cutting all the fruits into a little pieces. So guys, Here are all the fruits that I cut up. I'm going to be adding the Zobo. So now I'll add the cloves. So guys, now I'm going to be adding some water to cover up the fruits and the Zobo. Then I will cover it. I like to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. So guys, I'll be right back. So guys, our Zobo drink is ready. I just allow it to cool down a little bit. I'm going to be using my potato masher to match all the fruits together. That will help the fruits to mix together properly. So guys, now I'm going to separate the fruits away from the Zobo drink by using my filter to filter everything out. So guys, it's time for me to add the pineapple juice. You can choose to add just the pineapple juice, but I'm going to be adding more sugar to my own. But the sugar is optional. If you wish, you just add. If you don't like, just skip the sugar. So I'm going to give it a nice stir. Then I will test it if everything is okay. I bet you guys, this Zobo drink was really delicious. So guys, here is the end result of our Zobo drink. This is the perfect drink you need for this hot weather to chill up your body. So guys, if you have watched to this minute, I really appreciate. Thank you so much. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button and remember to set that notification bell icon to all. That will always notify you anytime I upload a new video, and you can also be a part of this amazing cooking family. And for my old returnees, thank you so much, and please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I would love to see you all again in my next video with another delicious recipe. I love you all guys. Bye bye. Ciao.